Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2016 Infiniti QX50 that we have for sale. This is a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We acquired this off lease directly from Infiniti Financial Services. It's been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs, and all it needs now is a brand new home. So if you're in the market for a compact luxury crossover, the QX50, particularly this generation, is a great choice and a lot of car for your money, or I should say crossover SUV for your money. Beautiful leather interior, nice spacious back seat. In 2016 they added 4 inches to the wheelbase, and most of that 4 inches ended up as increased rear leg room. Power and heated front seats, beautiful wood interior trim, Bose sound system, Infiniti analog clock, dual zone auto climate control. This one also has navigation. It has a rear parking camera as well as a 360-degree round view camera, moving object detection, front and rear parking sensors, moonroof, automatic dimming mirror of universal garage door opener. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes, and it's power tilt telescoping. This one only has 26,547 miles. Pretty low mileage for 2016. 2016 is a great year for the QX50 because not only did it get 4 inches added to the wheelbase, but they also gave it a little refresh. The front end was restyled as well as the rear end for a little bit more of a modern look. The QX50, this particular generation, it was built on the advanced front midship platform, shared with the Nissan 370Z sports car, as well as like the G35, the Q50, the G37 were all built on this sports car platform called the advanced front midship platform. The reason why they called it the advanced front midship platform is that they placed the engine as far back as possible behind the front axle, so it's almost like a mid-engine vehicle. They wanted to move the engine back so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle, and that just improves the handling. If you have the center of gravity towards the middle, the car can rotate on its axis through the corners, improving the handling and feel. The QX50 also uses an advanced all-wheel drive system called a TESSA. TESSA stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System. Infiniti has been making this all-wheel drive system for many years. We first saw this all-wheel drive system in the US shores on the 2004 G35 sedan, and the 2003 Infiniti FX35 and FX45 were the first vehicles to use this advanced all-wheel drive system. They've made improvements over the years. It's proved to be very reliable. And the reason why it's intelligent all-wheel drive is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. That gives it the feel of a real drive sports car, because this is a performance crossover. And it also helps with premature tire wear, because if the all-wheel drive system is constantly working all the time, it's going to chew up your tires faster. And it also helps improve fuel economy, because when the all-wheel drive system is working all the time, it's going to create more drag and decrease your fuel economy. But the QX50 has a brain that's always monitoring driving conditions, so as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. The QX50 also has a very powerful engine and a very reliable engine. These engines are known to go 200,000–300,000 miles, very low maintenance, 105,000 mile first major tune-up thanks to platinum tip spark plugs. Maintenance-free timing chains never need to be inspected, changed, or adjusted. They're designed to last the service life of the engine about 300,000 miles, and believe me, as a 15-year veteran of Infiniti, I've seen many of these engines go 300,000 miles and past that as well. HID lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. Really nice color combination. The QX50 is also built in Japan. The 2019s are nice in a lot of ways. They're built on a front-wheel drive platform. They're more spacious. In a lot of ways, the new 2019 QX50 is superior than this 2016 model. But you know, a lot of people think some of the best cars, or the best built cars, or the most reliable cars are built in Japan. That's what you get with this 2016 QX50. The 19s are built in North America. And also, from a performance driving standpoint, when you have a vehicle that's based on a sports car rear-wheel drive platform versus a more economical front-wheel drive platform, you're going to have better performance. So this car or this QX50 is definitely going to perform better than the new 2019 model, being based in that advanced friendship platform. Of course, if modern technology, fuel efficiency, more interior space is more important for you, okay, maybe look at the 2019, but a sporty performance, V6 power, rock solid reliability is something that you're looking for, then a 2017 or older QX50 might be something worth looking at. Really is a tremendous amount of vehicle for your dollar, and these things have proven to be very reliable and very durable over the years. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon.